Starting a new investment account can feel like a big step. You've done the research, you've chosen a platform like Spaceship, and now you're at that final hurdle, account verification. It's a crucial process, but it can also be a bit of a waiting game. So, how long does Spaceship account verification actually take? The short answer is, it's often instant. Spaceship aims to verify your identity electronically during the sign-up process. If all your details match up perfectly with the official records, you can be verified in a matter of seconds. But what if it's not instant? If Spaceship can't verify your identity automatically, don't panic. This is a common situation, and it just means they need a little more information from you to complete the process. This is where the timeline can extend a bit. You'll be asked to provide some additional documents. The most common request is for 2 forms of government-issued ID, like your passport and driver's license. Once you've uploaded these, the verification process can take 1 to 2 business days. Spaceship's team needs to manually review the documents you've submitted. They're making sure everything is correct and matches the information you provided when you signed up. This manual review is a necessary security step to protect your account and ensure compliance with financial regulations. So, for most people, verification is instant. But if they need additional documents, expect a wait of about 1 to 2 business days after you submit them. The key is to have your documents ready and to make sure the images you upload are clear and easy to read. A blurry photo or an incomplete document can cause further delays. A little preparation can go a long way in making your account verification as smooth and quick as possible.